Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we have a real treat for you. This is number 29 Poplar Drive in Greenhill in Herne Bay, and this property offers you something quite spectacular. You have a beautiful finish throughout with this wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached house, and coming straight through into the main entrance hall you can see already the level of decorative finish that we can expect throughout the entire property. We come through down to the end of the entrance hall here and into the utility room. Now, the utility room here really well made. You've got, of course, plenty of space in here to tuck your appliances away and, of course, provide you with some really handy storage. We've got the entrance through into the downstairs cloakroom as well here, which of course gives you that modern convenience in an older style property. And that's the fantastic thing about this. Of course, you've got the reliance of an older style, an older build of property with all of the convenience that a modern one has to offer. Coming through into the lounge area here, you have this spectacular open space with that real focal point there in the decorative fireplace. Looking just ahead of us now as well, you can see where the property has been substantially extended to now create this absolutely wonderful kitchen and dining space. The sky lantern just allows all of that light to flood straight through into the entirety of the ground level of the property. The kitchen itself comes with a full range of appliances, beautifully finished, and a wonderful specification as well. We do, of course, have this really handy second reception space leading us out into the rear garden, which is a wonderful space as well. We've got this open patioed area here with, of course, the low maintenance grassed area and a fantastic decked area at the top there, as well as some storage with the shed. I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in. We'll have another look through the ground level of the property, then we'll go upstairs, have a look at the 3 bedrooms and the main family bathroom that we have here with the property, and then we'll recap a few points at the end. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to start by taking a look at the modern family bathroom here. Of course, we do have the loo, the sink unit there, and of course the bath with the shower unit above. Panning the camera just around now, we'll go through and take a look at bedroom number 1, where of course you can see we've got plenty of space in here for the double bed and for plenty of storage as well. The window at the rear allows a wonderful aspect for light to just flood into the room, and of course you've got the view over the rear garden. Coming back out onto the landing, we'll go through into bedroom number 2 and then bedroom number 3, and whilst we're doing that, I'm just going to recap a few points on this property. So this is number 29 Poplar Drive in Greenhill in Herne Bay. Of course, this is a substantially extended 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. We've got plenty of parking here via the driveway at the front, and of course a beautiful finish throughout with a wonderfully maintained rear garden, which is perfect and low maintenance. Really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, give us a call in the office if you've got a few questions, and if you fancy having your own up-to-date valuation on your property, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, please give us a call in the office today.